Hey guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video I'll be showing how to make a dishwash liquid soap that has excess foaming power and also remove stuff stains. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Gloria and this is Gloria Home of Skills. So stay tuned and keep watching. I will be using just 4 liters of water and I have like 1 liter aside, but this is 3 liters that I'm going to start with. All my chemicals has been measured and this is caustic soda, so this is 30 grams of caustic soda. So guys, please don't do it this way. Just pour the water inside an empty plastic or anything that you have, then pour in your water there, then add your caustic soda. So if this is not the right way to do it, but please, if you can do it the way I just explained. Caustic soda is so corrosive, so I would advise you to wear your glove. Avoid peeling your hands. When dissolving your caustic soda, you will find out that the solution will be very hot. So you are advised to cover your hands, wear your glove so that it won't splash on your body or peel your hands. So take note of that. So this is SLS needles. Some people call it SLS rice. So just pour in enough water there. If you want your SLS to dissolve very fast, pour enough water. You don't need to stir it too much. Just stir it a little bit and keep it aside. So I'm thinking that this water will not be enough, so I'm going to add more so that it will be very fast while dissolving. SLS needle is a foaming agent. So this is Texapon. Another name for it is called Slurs. So this is Slurs 70. So I'll be using about 200 grams of Texapon. This is also a foaming agent. Another material I'll be adding is sulfonic acid. This serves as a foaming agent. So I'll be using about 100 mils of sulfonic acid. So the next thing to do is to mix it together. So mix it properly, because this Texapon is very hard while dissolving in water. After mixing them together, you can add water gradually. When making this soap, you are advised to have patience while dissolving this so that you will get a very good soap, because this is the hardest part while making this soap. Just decided to wear my glove because of the way everything is touching my skin, so I don't want my skin to be itchy or peeling. So I just switched to another turning stick because that rubber spoon is not giving me what I want. So let's keep watching. This is just 200 grams of Texapon and 100 mils of sulfonic acid. When mixing this, you find out that it is increasing more. So I'm going to transfer it into the water, the remaining water. Remember, I said I still have extra 1 liter by the side. So I just want to mix it together. I just decided to change the bucket because I want to stir it very very well. So to avoid lumps, stir your soap very well. That plastic bucket I was using is not giving me enough space to stir, so that's why I decided to switch to this. Okay, after I have mixed properly, I'll be adding the caustic soda. This is the caustic soda solution. That is what I just added. When you add your caustic soda, you will find out that it will become thicker, so make sure you stir it very very well. Guys, let me leak this secret for you. Do you know that all these chemicals that we just added here, you can just leave it as a foaming booster? This is called a foaming booster, but we are heading to liquid soap, so keep watching. So this is my baking soda. So you can add your baking soda directly, but because my own has lumps, so I decided to dissolve it in the remaining water. I have a little bit of water here, so I decided to dissolve it here. This is 120 grams of baking soda. So that is just what I dissolved in water. But I said you can add directly to your soap, but because my own has lumps, so I decided to dissolve. So remember I said we'll be using 4 liters of water, so all the measurements and dissolving, all of them are coming from the 4 liters of water. So in case you want to ask the question, I have made it clear to you now. This baking soda helps to lift stubborn dirt and stains in your liquid soap, and it also has a cleaning property due to its alkaline nature. So guys, this is the time to add your SLS. Remember, this is the dissolved SLS, so this is the time to add it. So this is a remaining water, so I decided to add it right now. The next thing I'll be adding is salt. Salt serves as a thickener and it also kills germs. So this is 45 grams of salt, so just add it gradually. So this is color, this is yellow color. You can dissolve it in water, but I decided to do it this way because I know that I can stir it properly. So this is for people that don't know how to stir soap. You can dissolve in water, okay? The next thing to add is our fragrance. So if you want to add your fragrance, you can add 4 ml of any fragrance of your choice. When you get to a chemical store, just screenshot the measurements of this thing because I'll be adding it at the end of the video. So just screenshot it, go to a chemical store and get your chemicals. For baking soda, you can get it in a baking shop, and for chemicals, look for chemical store around you and give them the list of the things that I used so that you can use it to make your soap. So this is 24 hours later. So if you want your soap to be more thicker, you can reduce the water. So this is it. our soap is ready. Guys, I'll be testing the foaming power of this liquid soap, so stay tuned. Guys, please like and share this video for me, thanks. And if you find this video interesting, hit the subscribe button, follow this video in case you are watching it in any of my platform, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.